Hi, I'm Peggy Farron with Understand Photography. I'm going to show you how to set up line art in Photoshop Elements. It's pretty much the same technique in Photoshop as it is in Elements, but I'm going to show you in Elements. The first thing we're going to do is open a picture, and I am going to open this picture right here and go over here to the Layers palette and make a copy of the layer. I'm going to left click, hold it down, and drag it up to this little square icon. It's called the Create New Layer icon right here. Okay, so now I have two layers. All right, I'm going to change the blending mode from normal to color dodge. And now it looks a little funny, but don't worry, it's going to go through some strange looks while we're doing this. We're going to go to Filter, Adjustment, Invert, and then again up to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. And here you're just going to adjust the pixels until the picture gets to the point where you like it. And for me, I think it's right about there, 28 pixels. The next step is to create an adjustment layer. So left click on that little black and white circle right there. Left click one time and then choose Hue Saturation. We're going to bring the saturation all the way down so that it's a black and white picture and X out of that. And one more step, another adjustment layer, just left click on that little black and white circle and go to Levels, and here you can darken. I'm going to use the middle slider to bring it a little darker, and that looks good to me. And that is a nice line art drawing. I'm going to save it as a new name. I'll leave it at 223, but then I'm going to type in line art and save it as a JPEG, and that's it.